Today we're at the front of the Commissioner's house and we're going to look inside the building, but before we do that I just wanted to talk about the front door and the entrance to the house. As you can see from the etching and from the photographs of the building, the front door is in the centre of the building. It looks proportionate, it looks to be right, but we have found from archival research that the front door didn't start there. Since starting the project, we've found a letter from a Commissioner Kempthorne, that asks for the front door to be moved to the centre of the property to be in a more harmonious position. So one of the consequences of moving the door, and this is noted in Kempthorne's letter, is that he needed to move the staff staircase from its existing position. And we've now determined that that position was where the front door currently is. So you can see where the staff staircase has been moved to because it's actually through the window of the house. Today we consider a staircase in front of a window quite unusual, but in the Georgian period this was the industrial side, the working side of the dockyard, and guests, visitors would have approached the Commissioner's house from the other garden side. So we're standing underneath the canopy that is a relatively modern 20th century addition to the entrance steps. Kempthorne also talks about the addition of stone steps to the approach of the house, which we can still see here, but he would have had a more simple door case around the front door rather than this elegant canopy. Now let's take a look inside the building. We have removed the moulded panel from above the front door, and it has revealed another door frame behind it that we suspect is from 1723 from Kempthorne's works to put in a new door frame. Either side of it is some lovely moulded panelling which would have been the original internal door case. So what we're looking at here is the historic framing has been removed back down to the basic timber stud work that had been put up in the early 1700s. And then we've clad it with 2 layers of a product called Thermocell, which is inherently fireproof, and this gives us our fire rating for the wall. And then we're putting back our historic panelling. So hopefully, once we've finished, you won't see that we've been here at all. So as part of the refurbishment, we are putting new electrical and mechanical systems into the building. And here we started installing the fire alarm panel and the various electrical switches that need to go with it, the door access control as well. And it's going to be hidden behind the panelling. So this fire protection continues from the basement to the very top of the house, to the roof space, and is designed to enclose the staff staircase and provide a safe means of escape. We're now on the south side of the staff staircase, and we fireboarded it from basement through to the roof, and we're starting to install our first fixed mechanical and electrical systems. Well, I'm now standing in the half landing on the ground floor of the Commissioner's house. We've been fireboarding all of the stair shaft, the staff stair shaft, and you can see we've got boarding on all 3 sides, and this continues from the basement to the roof. Next time we'll be exploring the upper levels of the house and looking at the progress we're making there. See you then.